Today's crochet letter of the day is P. Remember, my camera is flipped. Okay, you guys, if you guys want to learn how to make the letter P, stay tuned for the tutorial. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial. All of the letters A through P have been done. It is in a playlist on my page if you want to check it out. So yeah, let's get into P. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to chain 36, and then the second chain from our hook, we're going to put a double crochet in there. So not this first stitch, but this second stitch, put a double crochet. And then we're going to put one double crochet in the next 11 stitches. So in total, you will have 12 double crochet. Okay, so once you've done your 12 total double crochet, in this next stitch, we're going to double crochet 5 in the same stitch. So how we're going to do that is we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, pull our yarn through, yarn over again, pull through 2, and then we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the same stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you're going to do that 3 more times into the same stitch. So you will know you're done when you have 6 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5 of those loops. Now you're going to put 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And now we're going to double crochet 2 together 6 times. So we're going to yarn over, go into our next stitch, insert, pull our yarn through. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to do it another time. So go into the next loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3 of those. Okay, so now you're going to do that 6 times total. So after this time, we're going to do double crochet 2 together 5 more times. Okay, now we're going to double crochet 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now you should have 4 stitches left, and all you're going to do is slip stitch into this last stitch right here. Now we're going to form our P, and you're just going to slip stitch it to wherever you want your P, however you want your P formed. So for an example, I'm going to go about right here at this stitch. All of this part is up to your discretion. And you just slip stitch right here to connect your P. And then I like to fold this in half. I hope you guys can see. Fold this in half, and then down the next 2 stitches, we're going to slip stitch those together also. On both sides of your P. Chain 1, cut but leave a short tail for weaving in at the end. And then weaving your ends, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to just cut mine. And here is your letter P.